Do you sometimes feel your legs getting weaker, even after a simple walk around the house? If you're over 60, this may be more than just getting older. Weak legs can be an early warning sign of a hidden danger that steals away muscle strength, balance, and independence. Ignoring it can raise your risk of dangerous falls, hospital visits, and even losing the ability to live freely. But here's the good news. Research shows that one simple daily habit can protect your muscles, support your brain, and keep your body stronger as you age. This approach is gentle, safe, and respects the wisdom and experience you already carry into your golden years. In today's video, we'll uncover why your legs weaken, the hidden risks you need to watch for, and most importantly, the one simple solution that can help you stay active and independent. Stay tuned until the end, and don't forget, comment your age below so we know who we're helping. Hello, my respected senior friends. It's always an honor to speak with people who carry such wisdom, experience, and life lessons. You've lived through decades of challenges and changes, and now your health deserves the very best care and attention. Today, I want to talk to you about something many seniors quietly notice but often ignore: weak legs after the age of 60. At first, it may feel like a normal part of getting older, but in reality, it can be a clear warning sign that your muscles are losing strength faster than you think. This weakness isn't just about feeling tired. It can lead to dangerous risks like poor balance, more frequent falls, and the loss of independence that every senior values deeply. But here's the important part. Weakness doesn't have to control your future. A simple nutrient added into your daily life can help restore strength, protect your muscles, and support your independence. Stay with me, because very soon I'll share this solution in a way that's clear, simple, and safe for you. And before we continue, I'd love to know, have you noticed your legs getting weaker in recent years? Please share your experience in the comments below. Many seniors over 60 begin to notice their legs feeling weaker than before. What used to be easy, like walking across the room, climbing a flight of stairs, or even standing from a chair, suddenly feels heavier, slower, and more tiring. This is not just a minor inconvenience. It's your body trying to warn you that something serious is happening inside your muscles. The medical term for this gradual loss of strength is called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia means loss of flesh, and it describes how muscles naturally shrink and weaken as we age. But here's the truth. Although sarcopenia is common, it is not untreatable. Weak legs are not simply a punishment of old age. They are a signal that your muscles need better support and care. There are certain warning signs seniors should never ignore. Do you find it harder to climb stairs than you used to? That may mean your leg muscles are already losing power. Do you struggle to rise from a chair without pushing hard on the armrests? That's another red flag of muscle weakness. Or maybe you notice feeling shaky or unsteady when you walk across a room. These small signs can be early indicators of bigger problems ahead if nothing is done. Beyond the physical struggle, weak legs bring emotional weight. They can slowly take away independence, turning everyday tasks like grocery shopping, gardening, or even walking with friends into difficult challenges. And when balance becomes poor, the risk of falls rises dramatically. A single fall at this age can change life overnight, leading to hospital stays, long recoveries, or even permanent loss of freedom. But here's the encouraging news. Weakness in the legs is tied to more than just getting older. It can be slowed down and, in many cases, improved with the right daily choices. There is a way to strengthen your body, protect your muscles, and regain confidence in your movement. Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll explain how one daily habit can make all the difference. And I'd like to ask, have you experienced difficulty climbing stairs or getting up from a chair recently? Please share your story in the comments. Your words might inspire another senior watching today. Weak legs are not just uncomfortable, they are dangerous. When your muscles lose strength, your body loses its natural protection against accidents. The first and most serious risk is falling. For seniors over 60, falls are one of the leading causes of injuries and hospital visits. A single slip in the kitchen or a stumble on the stairs can result in fractures, broken hips, or long-term disability. The second danger is declining balance and coordination. Muscles do more than move us. They also stabilize us. When the legs become weak, even simple movements, like turning too quickly, stepping off a curb, or carrying groceries, can feel unsteady. This lack of stability increases the chance of dangerous missteps. The third danger is repeated hospital visits. Seniors with weak muscles are more likely to experience accidents, complications, and slower recovery times. Each hospital stay can reduce confidence, independence, and quality of life. The fourth danger is more hidden: the loss of confidence in movement. When seniors begin to doubt their own legs, they move less, walk less, and avoid physical activity. Unfortunately, this only makes the problem worse. Muscles that are not used continue to weaken, creating a dangerous cycle of fear and inactivity. But there is another risk many people don't know about: the brain connection. Weak muscles in the legs can reduce healthy blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain. Over time, this may affect mental sharpness, memory, and even mood. Studies show that seniors who maintain stronger leg muscles often keep clearer thinking and better balance in life. All of this may sound frightening, but here's the empowering truth: you can take control. Weak legs do not have to define your future. With one safe and simple daily habit, you can strengthen your muscles, protect your balance, support your brain, and regain the confidence to move freely again. So stay with me, because in the next part, we'll uncover the missing piece in senior nutrition that may be the key to keeping your legs strong and your mind sharp. Before we continue, I'd love to ask, have you ever had a fall, or do you sometimes feel nervous about losing your balance? Please share your experience in the comments. Your story can help others feel less alone. We've talked about the dangers of weak legs. Now let's look at something most seniors overlook: the role of nutrition. Exercise and movement are important, but your muscles cannot stay strong without the right fuel. Just like a car needs gasoline, your body needs specific nutrients to power its muscles, nerves, and brain. One nutrient stands out as the missing piece for many seniors: magnesium. Why magnesium? Because it's like the spark that keeps your muscles moving. Every time you take a step, climb stairs, or rise from a chair, your muscles contract and then relax. Magnesium is the mineral that helps regulate this process. Without enough of it, muscles cramp, tighten, or feel unusually weak. But that's not all. Magnesium also supports nerve communication. Think of your nerves as tiny electrical wires that carry signals from your brain to your muscles. If magnesium is low, those signals don't fire properly. The result? Lower movements, shaky balance, or unexpected fatigue. Magnesium also helps your body produce energy. Seniors who don't get enough often feel tired, heavy, or unmotivated, even if they've had plenty of sleep. That's why magnesium is sometimes called the, quote, energy mineral. Unfortunately, many older adults are quietly deficient in magnesium and don't even know it. Studies suggest that up to half of seniors may not be getting enough, partly because modern diets are low in magnesium-rich foods, and partly because the body absorbs less as we age. Some medications can also reduce magnesium levels without warning. So how do you know if you might be low? Common signs include frequent leg cramps, twitching muscles, unexplained fatigue, stiffness, or even trouble sleeping. If these sound familiar, your body may be asking for more magnesium. The good news is, adding magnesium to your diet is safe and simple. You don't need expensive treatments or risky solutions. Nature already provides it in foods such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. Even something as simple as adding a handful of pumpkin seeds, almonds, or spinach to your daily meals can make a difference over time. This isn't about a miracle cure. It's about giving your body what it has been missing. Stronger legs, steadier balance, better energy, and even a sharper mind often begin with consistent, small nutritional changes. So if you want to protect your independence, avoid dangerous falls, and feel more confident on your feet, magnesium is a nutrient you cannot ignore. In the next part, I'll show you a simple daily routine that combines gentle movement with smart nutrition, so you can rebuild strength safely and naturally without feeling overwhelmed. But first, let me ask you, do you eat magnesium-rich foods like nuts or leafy greens every week? Share in the comments, because your answer may inspire someone else to start today. Now that you understand why magnesium is so important, the next step is learning how to bring it into your daily life without stress, without confusion, and without needing drastic changes to your diet. The truth is, many seniors worry that healthy eating is complicated or expensive. But in reality, adding magnesium-rich foods can be simple, affordable, and even enjoyable. The key is consistency. A small amount every single day is far more powerful than trying to make huge changes all at once. Let's look at some easy senior-friendly ways to include magnesium-rich foods. First, nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are excellent choices. You don't need a lot. Just a small handful can give your muscles the boost they need. Place a small container of nuts by your chair or in the kitchen where you can see them. That way, snacking on them becomes a natural daily habit. Second, leafy greens like spinach or kale. These may sound difficult to cook, but they don't have to be. You can add a handful of spinach leaves to an omelet, a soup, or even a sandwich. If chewing raw greens feels tough, try lightly steaming them so they're softer and easier to enjoy. Third, beans and legumes such as black beans, chickpeas, or lentils. They're full of magnesium, protein, and fiber. Even a small serving added to your meals once or twice a week can make a difference. If cooking beans from scratch feels overwhelming, use canned beans. Just rinse them under water to reduce excess salt. Fourth, whole grains like oatmeal, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. For many seniors, oatmeal in the morning is a comforting and easy meal. Adding some pumpkin seeds or almonds on top not only boosts magnesium, but also adds crunch and flavor. And finally, smoothies. These are a wonderful option if chewing feels difficult. You can blend spinach, banana, and almond milk together for a creamy, magnesium-rich drink. It's quick, tasty, and gentle on the stomach. The best part is, you don't need to change everything at once. Just pick one of these options and start today. Over time, as you add more magnesium-rich foods, your muscles, nerves, and energy will thank you. Remember, these are not small changes. They're life-saving habits. Every bite of magnesium-rich food you take is protecting your independence, your balance, and your ability to stay strong. So let me ask you, which magnesium-rich food do you think you can add to your meals this week? Share your plan in the comments. It may inspire someone else to take the first step too. Stay with me, because next I'll reveal the final summary and key takeaways you'll want to remember for life. So, what can you truly expect once magnesium becomes a steady part of your daily life? In the short term, many seniors notice fewer nighttime leg cramps. The muscles feel less tense, walking feels smoother, and even climbing a few stairs becomes easier. You may also find your energy lasting longer throughout the day instead of fading by mid-afternoon. These are small but powerful wins that bring real comfort to daily life. Over the long term, the benefits grow even more important. Stronger muscles mean better balance, fewer falls, and less dependence on walking aids. Every step becomes safer, protecting you from serious injuries that can take away independence. Magnesium also supports nerves and the brain, helping you stay alert, steady, and confident in your movements. And here's the most powerful reminder. Protecting your legs is not just about muscle. It's about protecting your freedom. Every time you choose magnesium-rich foods, you're choosing strength, balance, and the ability to keep living life on your own terms. So tell me in the comments, have you ever noticed less cramping or more strength when you focused on nutrition? Your story could help another senior today. Stay tuned, because the final summary will pull everything together for you. Weak legs are not simply just aging. They are a clear warning sign, telling you that your muscles, balance, and independence are at risk. Too often, seniors are told this decline is normal. But the truth is, weakness is not destiny. It is a preventable and correctable problem. And the life-saving solution is surprisingly simple: adding magnesium-rich foods into your daily routine. From nuts and seeds to leafy greens and whole grains, each small serving is like medicine for your muscles and nerves. Every bite protects your legs, strengthens your balance, and gives you the freedom to keep living life on your terms. So don't wait for another warning sign. Start today. Pick one magnesium-rich food and make it part of your meals. Small steps today lead to stronger legs tomorrow. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your age and share your story about leg strength or cramping. Your words could inspire another senior to take action. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to stay connected for more health tips designed especially for seniors like you. Remember, staying strong means staying independent. With one simple habit, your best years can still be ahead.